on the Baking Pot Road to the Amish community known as Spanish Lookout. That's a part of the Central Farm Agricultural project. It used to be the phase with the fish pond, and these are the tanks over here, and this is the Baking Pot Road, and we're at the Baking Pot ferry waiting to cross the Belize Old River. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. This is Central American View, old school ferry. It's hand crank. This is the wet season too, so the river is, let's say, maybe 6 to 8 feet higher than it normally is. And this is also the route that the Ruta Maya paddlers take to go from San Ignacio, the twin town of San Ignacio and Santa Elena, to Belize City. And going off in that direction. And these are one of the few Central American hand crank ferries. Come explore and experience and enjoy Belize. Harvest some of the tropical memories. Takes 3 cars. And when you're crossing or loading the ferry, the driver is the only one allowed to be in the automobile while they're loading the ferry. The other occupants have to get out and walk onto the ferry by the way. Those are the cables that help to bring it across. There we go. And you gotta allow for the other vehicle to get on it as well. Be mindful.
anoche la miré ahí en la tienda.
Belize River. This is how goods used to be shipped into San Ignacio from Belize City, and from San Ignacio to Belize City. This was the highway back in the day, before we had roads, freeway and trail. This was the freeway, the Belize River. Respect. Respect.